Ceramic coatings are not scratch proof. I'm actually about to coat this vehicle in our Icon Rock Clear coating, and I want to give you guys 5 myths about traditional ceramic coatings, Icon Rock Clear, that you should not believe. I'm Aaron with Attention to Detail, Luxury Detailing and Coatings. We're based out of the South Chicagoland area here in Highland, Indiana, and I want to go over, before we coat this Jeep, a few myths. The first one is that coatings are scratch proof. I mean, that's crazy. A ceramic coating in traditional definition is a liquid polymer silicone dioxide that is hand applied to the vehicle, flashed onto the paint, and removed any excess. Once it's removed, the final layer is basically hardened to a glass-like structure that protects the exterior from the elements. Elements such as tar, tree sap, acidic rain, harmful UV rays, paint overspray, and it makes the vehicle very, very easy to wash. Most coatings are anywhere between 2 to 5 years. We offer our 7-year Fireball Butterfly here. You can even get some 10-year coatings and lifetime. Lifetime is another myth. That's myth number 2. Back to myth number 1 for a second here. When I put on a ceramic coating, it can still scratch, it can still get swirl marks, it can still get rock chips. The basic premise of a ceramic coating is to protect the exterior from the elements and also make it easier to wash and maintain. So when you have a vehicle that you drag a bunch of dirty rags on top of, it still can get swirl marks, it still can scratch. It's not bulletproof. Now, on to myth number 2, lifetime ceramic coatings. No ceramic coating can last a lifetime. Who even knows what a lifetime is? Is it 10 years on a vehicle? Is it 15? Is it 20? Is it 25? Is lifetime only meaning however long you have the vehicle? That's not really lifetime. So what a lot of shops do, we do not offer lifetime coatings here, because most of the time what a lifetime coating is, it's either a 1 or a 2-year ceramic coating, and the shop actually requires you to come back every 1 to 2 years, pay an additional cost to get a booster or an upgrade, and that your warranty, your lifetime warranty, is not available if you don't come back. Well, the thing is, if you don't come back, then you don't have a warranty, then it's not lifetime anymore. So the question is, if they just keep putting on a 1-year coating every year, that's basically lifetime to me. So that's the second myth. You really want to watch out for shops that are doing lifetime ceramic coatings, because you don't exactly know what it is, and the fine print is very detrimental. If you don't read that fine print and you don't get the vehicle redone at a certain, interval, you could be out of your warranty. Myth number 3. When you get a ceramic coating or Icon Rock Clear, you don't have to wash your car anymore. This is such a lie. You still have to wash and maintain your car, let me tell you. When you drive on the road, dirt still can get on your car. Unfortunately, here at Attention to Detail, we don't put a bubble around your car and call it a day. You still have to wash your car. Now, the vehicle is easier to maintain and clean, and you don't have to wash it as much, but you still need to wash your car. Once I put a coating on, it protects the surface, but it's not in a bubble. Elements and contamination like road debris, road grime, brake dust, rail dust, and other dirt and components from just daily driving will cause dirt on the vehicle, especially in the wintertime with all that salt and snow. We put a protection on to protect from the elements like that salt and all of that debris, protecting it from eating into your clear coat, oxidizing the paint. But you still need to wash the car. Myth number 4, ceramic coatings, they're all the same. It's just a ceramic coating, put it on. Absolutely not. There is a major, major, major difference between a $3,000 ceramic coating at a professional shop and a $100 DIY product that you can buy off of Amazon. Now, I'm not saying that the ones on Amazon are necessarily bad or aren't going to do the trick, but they definitely are not commercial grade ceramic coating products. Now, let me explain. A commercial ceramic coating, a product that you can only get as an authorized dealer with training certifications like we have here at A2D, there is more silicone dioxide and infused titanium in our Fireball Butterfly 7-year coating. You cannot get infused titanium with a high dose of silicone dioxide, or content, maybe not dose, but content, in a traditional Amazon grade product. A $30 bottle or a $50 or an $80 bottle of ceramic that you can apply at home is a lot different. The ones that we apply, they're still not rocket science to apply, but there is a technique. There is a bonding agent in them that requires training, that requires your expertise. And if you don't remove the bonding agent properly, you'll get smears everywhere, you'll get the coating everywhere, then it'll have to be sanded off. And you can see all these, insert some pictures of like ceramic coatings all wiped on the car and failed. People try and do them outside in the sun. You need to have a controlled booth like this. It's temperature controlled, it's dust controlled, it's mopped and swept twice a day. It is the same temperature every single day, and we measure the humidity because humidity changes the way that a coating is applied on the vehicle and the way that a coating cures. When you apply a coating outside in the elements, you have a little bit different humidity, a lot higher humidity, especially in the summertime, than you do inside a controlled environment. So all coatings are not the same, and really what you're paying for when you're getting a professional grade coating, besides the coating itself and the expertise, is the paint correction, which is the buffing, the swirl removal, or the light scratch removal, the fading and oxidation removal prior to the actual application of a ceramic coating. Hey, I'm over here for myth number 5. Myth number 5 is that ceramic coatings with the 9H on the bottle or 10H in the advertising, oh, those must be strong. Let me introduce you to Icon Rockler, because a 9H or a 10H hardness, that almost means nothing. See, the 9H or 10H is done with a scratch test, which means that if you take a certain stone and you scratch it with 9H hardness, that it's not gonna show anything. The problem with the 9H and the 10H hardness tests and all of those H's is that all it is a controlled test. It's not real world exterior finish. Now, with you using 9H, most things in this world that are gonna touch your car, that are gonna scratch your car, that are gonna create swirls and light scratches in the actual paint are a lot stronger than the 9 or 10H. So although it seems strong, it's actually not. But at attention to detail, I want to introduce to you our Icon Rockler application. Now, Icon Rockler is not a traditional ceramic coating. Although we still apply ceramic coatings for certain instances, Icon Rockler is a completely different breed. It's stronger, it's glossier, it's more protective, and it has oxidation resistance, unlike most ceramic coatings. See, the way that Icon Rockler is applied, it's applied on by hand, and it's never removed. So once we apply it on by hand, it's actually the world's first self-leveling coating. So what happens is when we apply it on by hand and we let it to self-level, we never actually remove what we put on. Versus a ceramic coating, when you apply the ceramic coating on, you wait 5-10 minutes for it to flash, for the humidity to settle on the paint, and then you wipe off the excess. That's not the case with Icon. We actually leave the Icon on. With lab data tests from a lab up in Canada, Icon Rockler has a 15-year guarantee on all the paint, a bona fide warranty that it's not going to chip, yellow, fade, crack, you name it. Also, it has rock, chip, and scratch protection up to 30%. This is not Kevlar, this is not bulletproof, we're not giving you myths here, but up to 30% of rock, chip, and light scratch resistance, this Icon Rockler application has. Now, it is also up to 75 times stronger than any ceramic coating. And the reason behind that is because when we put on Icon Rockler and we don't remove it, we can actually pack more solids into the formula to create more strength. Also, it's up to 30% more glossy because of how thick the layer is. It actually intensifies the paint and makes the paint just look like that mirror-like, just candy-like glossy pop that you really, really want on your vehicle. Also, with the exterior, it has up to 20 times the UV and oxidation resistance because of how thick it is and the UV inhibitors in it. It doesn't fade like your traditional ceramic coatings over time. It actually, the product starts to oxidize, which can be buffed off, but it starts to oxidize at 19 years. That's why we warranty it for 15. Now, when it comes to Icon Rock Clear, it is the strongest, the glossiest, and the thickest coating on the market, hands down. There are right times for traditional ceramic, and there are right times for Icon Rock Clear. But when you want to know what product to put on your vehicle, you have to give us a call. Let's book you in for a consultation, and let's get you taken care of. Give me a call today, and we'll get you set up for a consultation. My number is 219-533-8783. I want to hook you up. I want to take care of you. We've got a few specials going on for the summer, and I want to show you what we can do to your finish, whether that's a paint correction in ceramic or Icon Rock Clear. Now, don't get sucked in to all these guys that are telling you all these myths. I hope this video helped you, and I hope this video educated you on how to properly learn and properly start shopping for a ceramic coating and for an Icon Rock Clear application. And yeah, I hope to see you at the shop soon for a consultation. Visit us on our website as well if you'd like, www.attn2detail.info, or send us an email, service, SERVICE, at attn2detail.info. I'm Aaron, I'm your host. Like and subscribe if you found this video useful, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks so much for watching. Take care. Peace.